Hello, this is Brother Oakley of the End Time Ministry. Today's video is called Strange Horn Sounds. When I moved to Virginia in 1978, after I graduated lab school, it had snowed all day, one day, all evening one day, and all night one day. They called it the Blizzard of 78. It's on record now. You can look it up. The Blizzard of 78. I had a big old green Plymouth. And I got 2 blocks from my house. It got stuck. Wouldn't go no further. I got out. I had to walk the other 2 blocks home. And the snow was up to my knees. Some areas the drifts was high as my waist. Year after year went by. It seemed like the snows got less and less and less. Last year we had snows about 2 inches. The year before, just snow flurries. I read an article where scientists said the sun's temperature has heated up. And the 4th angel poured out his vial upon the sun, and it increased with intensity and scorched people, and it blasphemed God. That's prophetic, a last day prophecy. The next thing I'll talk about, Jesus said there'd be signs in the heavens and on the earth in those days. The heaven signs, blood moons, strange lights in the sky, fireballs going across the sky, all these things. And then he said that there'd be signs on the earth, the crop circles. These circles started appearing in farmers' fields all over the planet. At first they were just round circles. Then they became more geometrical, more complex, as if some divine deity was giving the wheat orders and just lied down. Check out the crop circles. They're the earth signs that Jesus talked about. They're amazing. The last one I want to talk about on this video is strange horn sounds. I found a video called Strange Horn Sounds in Kyiv, Russia, or Ukraine. And about every 2 minutes you'll hear this horn sound that's coming from the sky. And I wonder if that was a warning about the Russian-Ukraine war coming. But yet I found another video. You could hear the horn sounds in this Canadian forest that had been recorded. Sound similar to the Ukraine horn sounds coming from the sky. Then the lady said her and her husband walked out on the balcony one night in Nashville, Tennessee, because I heard this horn sound, and it was coming from the sky. So all these end time signs that are happening there. So that's 3 I just gave you. I got more to come and later on. And my next video is going to be I'm going to talk about preachers, the lust for money. Thank you for watching today. Please join me next time. Goodbye.